Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another natural hair video for you guys. I'm actually going to show how I wash my hair from beginning till end. So from shampoo to condition to styling it, it's all in this video. It has been highly requested and I just need to get it done. Okay, if you see any white in my hair, that's because I did do a very quick wash and go and the gel is just not dry yet, so still a little bit white. But don't worry, once it's dry, it's gonna be all vanished. My hair is actually finally coming back to its senses, because you guys know it has been through a lot. Like, this hair has literally been through like ups and downs and like all of that. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. So I always start off by rinsing my hair and detangling it, so it's a bit easier to manage and to actually divide.
Bella breaks.
So up next, I use my shampoo. I use the Canty Shea Butter shampoo. So far, I'm loving this product. It really leaves my hair very silky and soft and just easy to manage. So as you can see, I really focus on the roots of my hair because obviously that's where the hair grows. And you just want to give it some tender loving care. So I also like to detangle with a comb just to ensure that there's no knots in my hair. And this is pretty much the same step I follow 4 times for all the different sections.
Bella breaks.
As you can see, the shampoo makes it very easy to detangle my hair. There's no knots in it whatsoever. And it just gives you that good feeling. You know when you're having like a scalp massage? That's exactly what it feels like. So after this rinse, I actually go back to shampoo my hair again just to ensure that my hair is really clean. Up next, we have the conditioner, so it's the same brand. I just divide my hair again and put it all over and let it sit for, I believe, 15 to 20 minutes. So once I have the conditioner in my hair, I just love massaging my scalp. Just when you make that, I just like the way it feels, you know. So yeah, once I do that, you can see my curls already popping, and I detangle it one more time with conditioner. And this is pretty much it. Once I rinse it out, I just go ahead, put some oils in my hair and style it, and that's it. See, easy. So I know I'm very backwards. I actually put my oils first before I put my leave-in. I don't know, I just feel like once I put the oils first, it really goes into my scalp and it helps promote hair growth. I might be wrong. I know a lot of people put their leave-in first and then put their oils. But I'm just different, okay? So I decided to define my curls a bit. If you haven't seen my detailed video on how I define my curls, make sure to check that out. I literally go step by step and show you how I do this. So I'm going to speed up this process and yeah. So now I'll just let the hair dry and in the meantime go beat my face because I literally look like a teenager. And this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Like always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.